Hi everyone, it's Rebecca here, student midwife at Kingston University, and today I am going to be making some lasagna. In the coming weeks, I'm going to be out on placement again, which means I'm not going to be wanting to come home and doing a lot of cooking. So one of my favorite things to do is to make lasagna in these really handy foil containers. Then I can just freeze them, and then the night before I pull it out and voila, instant dinner, easy peasy for when I come back from placement. So obviously the first thing I gotta do is get my pan ready with a little bit of oil and have the pot ready to go so that I can boil the lasagna noodles. So I'm going to take my defrosted ground turkey meat and I'm gonna plop it into the frying pan. While I'm letting my ground meat just cook slowly on the stove, I'm going to go ahead and chop up some onions, some garlic, some carrots, some parsley, and some spinach. This will add some lovely vegetables to get those and add some nice flavor into my lasagna as well. Now that the meat is fully cooked, I'm going to add the onions and the garlic that I've minced onto the meat so they can start to cook. And I'm also going to start to season the meat and the onions and such by adding some salt, some pepper, some oregano, some cumin, some basil, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of onion seasoning, and a little bit of garlic seasoning as well. Gonna give this a mix. And I'm gonna cover it to let the onions cook. Now that the veggies are cut up and the meat is cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and add some tomato sauce. A little bit of water to get out all the sauce. Because I want to make a lot of bolognese sauce, I'm going to add another one. I'm going to add some Shiraz. Some paste to thicken it up. I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. This adds like a little bit of a sweet taste to the sauce, which I really like. And then of course, to help balance the acidity of the tomato, I put in a generous amount of brown sugar. Add a bouillon, or part of one anyway. Give this a cover and we'll let this simmer. While the sauce is simmering, I'm going to start adding the noodles into the water here because it's boiling. Final touch, a little bit of cheese. And here we go, I'm all ready for dinner for tonight and placement for the next few weeks. Yum!